Find out who will be the winners of this year's Samoa Exports Awards on Friday, 15th of June at Taumeasina Island Resort. This year's awards, it's proudly brought to you by our major sponsor, Pacific Forum Line, your Pacific shipping line. Our award sponsors, Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Labour, ANZ Bank Samoa, the Farmer Program, Digicel and Samoa are supporting sponsors. The Samoa Exports Awards 2018 on Friday the 15th of June at Taumeasina Island Resort.
The Samoa Exports Awards program is a very important initiative because it pays tribute to the contribution of the Samoa private sector, businesses and companies to the development of the economy. As we all know, the more we export, it gives us a very positive indication that there is growth within our economy, which means that there is a lot of employment opportunities as well as export earnings that will further enhance the development of our economy in terms of more technology, more skills that will be available, as well as the variety of products that could be made utilizing some of the local raw materials and also contributing to the development of the agriculture sector. So the program is a very important initiative by the Samoa Manufacturers Association in close collaboration with a number of other private sector organizations, and the government of Samoa is fully in support of this initiative because it has a very substantial contribution to the development of the economy. It's also in line with the Samoa development strategy that foresees the importance of having an enabling environment for the businesses to thrive and to grow, and also to increase their contribution to the work that is done. I wish you all the best and all the applicants the very best, and to ensure that the confidentiality of the information that you will be providing, which will assist us and the judges in making the right decisions and to awarding the prize winners for this very important program. Whawhitai.
Talofa, Digicel is proud to sponsor the Best Service Award for the 2018 Samoa Export Awards. As a key business in the telecommunications industry, we recognize the needs and the significant importance of communications for any business to operate in. We've been in Samoa for the past 12 years now, and we take pride in being one of the key communication companies providing our business community with tools and service to enable them with their communications needs. Now, as we head towards a more digitally focused economy in Samoa, we are also ensuring that we as a business keep up with the demands for better speeds and connectivity to the rest of the world. We are now connected to the Tui Samoa cable and deliver to you a world-class network so business operators like you can continue to grow and thrive in your respective businesses. To the recipient of this year's Best Service Award and all our business community, we wish you all the best for the future, and Digicel is committed to stand by and support you all the way in your journey. So fua maia manuia.
Talofa, my name is Bernie Port, Regional Country Manager for ANZ. We're delighted to be the major sponsor of SAMI and this year's SAMI 2018 Export Awards. A strong export sector is a critical building block to a sustainable and strong economy. When done well, it builds economic prosperity not just for the entrepreneur, but for the benefit of the entire local economy. One intrinsic link to a successful export sector for a country like Samoa is the potential for tourism uplift. We know that building successful Samoan brands offshore will generate additional uplift in our tourism sector. No greater example than our friends across the ditch in Fiji with iconic brands such as Fiji Water and Pure Fiji. Good luck to the nominees for this year's awards, and congratulations to you all for coming this far. If you're not doing so already, talk to an ANZ trade specialist and help you thrive. Whawhitai.
The awards are based on the desire of SAMI to increase, on behalf of the government, the level of exports to 100 million by 2020, and at the same time to recognise the quality and the excellence of the range of exporters that currently undertake activities here in Samoa. The awards will be undertaken at the Taumeasina resort. The awards will be open to all entries, all those that are exporting, whatever their size or the range of products that they are exporting. The assessments will be done independently through the government, through MSIL, and our expectation is that this will be an ongoing event that will occur annually. At the same time, we expect to have increasing sponsorship as the more and more businesses and sports sponsors become aware of the value of the Export Awards.
The recognition of these individuals, we hope they will continue to inspire others, which in a way will continue to improve their income, contribute to their income, improve their standard of living. In a way, it will help them meet their commitments to their family, to the church, to the village, as well as to the economic development of Samoa. This is an important award for the farmer program because it allows the program to promote the partnership between the private and public sector in Samoa. And that's being done through the Market Access Working Group. And so through this award, we recognize the strong involvement of these individuals in innovation in agriculture as it relates to exports, as well as the leading women in agriculture. And on behalf of the Farmer Program, I would like to congratulate all the winners of these awards tonight. Ia manuia le tātou whātasinga le nea whiawhi. God bless.
So there you are, ladies and gentlemen. We're excited to announce and reaffirm that we are going strong with the Export Awards, and we welcome all the companies, individuals, to apply and make use of this opportunity. And as also we've mentioned before, it's going to be an ongoing program. And basically the main aim is to increase Samoa's exports of goods and services, improve the livelihood of our people, increase employment, increase our foreign exchange earnings, and also increase the value and our assistance to our rural communities, so Samoa benefits in the long term. Whawhatae.
2018, Pacific Forum Line celebrates 40 years of providing shipping services to Pacific Island communities. Over the past 40 years, the business has progressed from being primarily a shipping and shipping agency company to that of a fully integrated logistics service provider with the ability to provide customers with global logistics capability. Whilst providing global capability, our core business is focused on the Pacific, stretching from Papua New Guinea in the west to the Cook Islands in the east, and of course, everywhere in between. With offices located in Sydney, Auckland, Suva, Lautoka, Apia and Nuku'alofa, our team have local knowledge and experience to assist customers with any freight movement. In addition to our traditional shipping services, our service offerings include both Pacific and global air freight movements, and personal effects, break bulk and project cargo, produce and perishable freight, customs broker and clearance services, courier, shipping agency, warehouse, storage container packing and unpacking, container park operations, and ship stevedoring. Pacific Forum Line plays its part in the communities in which we provide services and in which we trade. Pacific Forum Line is active assisting with logistics associated with disaster relief support, moving goods for welfare agencies, assisting schools, and sponsoring sports and community events. Pacific Forum Line is your Pacific shipping line. No matter where you trade from, no matter where you trade to, and no matter how you want your goods shipped, Pacific Forum Line is here to help. How can the Pacific Forum Line team help you?